In this video, I will show you how we can configure password policy on Cisco router. So basically, whenever we create any password on Cisco router, so the password can be of any character. Like you can create one character password or three character or five character password, but we can enforce on the router how many character password one should assign to either enable or in SSH or in telnet, or if anyone is creating any user, how much length the password should be. So I will show you how we can enforce this password policy on the router. So click first of all, we need to configure one command, that is security password minimum length. So it can be, password can be from 0 to 16 characters. So 8 character password is minimum is required. So I will set here 10. So minimum 10 character password will be should be assigned on the router. So let's try to assign a password, and that is enable secret Cisco. So you will see password is too short, must be at least 10 character. So password is not configured yet. So we will have to either assign the 10 character password, otherwise the password will not be configured. So let's uh, create a password, enable secret. Don't use password command because it show the password in clear text. Always use secret command. And I will set a password 200 301. So now the password has been set because it is of 10 characters, as you can see for this particular example, and it is encrypted with a MD5 hash. So nobody knows what the password is. So in this way, you can enforce password policy on Cisco router. Thanks for watching.